Hello everyone, this is Mamta Moon and today we'll learn and solve self-practice exercise question 5H, questions 1 to 5 of chapter 5. Chapter name is Fractions of class 6 of New Learning Composite Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. Let's get started and solve some questions. What we learn today? Today we learn and solve self-practice exercise questions 5 page, questions 1 to 5. Chapter chapter is fractions and topics are converting fractions into equivalent fractions, reduced fraction to simplest form or mixed fractions into simplest form. Now we solve question number 4. Question number 4 is simplify and express the answer in simplest form or mixed fraction. First bit is 5 divided by 8 plus 1 divided by 4 minus 3 divided by 5. First we have to find out the LCM or LCD of the denominator 8, 4 and 5. We know prime factorization of 8 is 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2 and prime factorization of 4 is 2 multiplied with 2 and prime factorization of 5 is 5. So LCM of 8, 4 and 5 is 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 5, that is equal to 40. So LCM of 8, 4 and 5 is 40. Now we have to divide the LCM 40 with the denominator 8. 40 divided by 8 is 5. Multiply the number 5 with the numerator 5. 5 multiplied with 5 is 25. Then divide the LCM 40 with the denominator 4. 40 divided by 4 is 10. Then multiply 10 with the number with the numerator 1. 10 multiplied with 1 is 10. Then divide the LCM 40 with the denominator 5 of the fraction 3 divided by 5. 40 divided by 5 is 8. Then multiply the number 8 with the numerator 3. 8 multiplied with 3 is 24. Divided by the LCM, that is equal to 40. Then we get 25 plus 10 minus 24, which is equal to 25 plus 10 is 35. 35 minus 24 is 11. 11 divided by 40, which is in the simplest form. So we get 5 divided by 8 plus 1 divided by 4 minus 3 divided by 5 equal to 11 divided by 40. Now we will solve question number second bit B. 7 divided by 8 minus 1 divided by 6 plus 1 divided by 4. We have to simplify and express this fraction into simplest form or the mixed fraction. First we have to find out the LCM of the denominator 8, 6 and 4. We know prime factorization of 8 is 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 8, 2. And prime factorization of 6 is 2 multiplied with 3. And prime factorization of 4 is 2 multiplied with 2. So LCM of 8, 6 and 4 is 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 3. So 8 multiplied with 3 is 24. So LCM of 8, 4 and 6 is 24. Now 7 divided by 8 minus 1 divided by 6 plus 1 divided by 4 equal to, divide the LCM 24 with the denominator 8 of the fraction 7 divided by 8. 24 divided by 8 is 3, 3. Then multiply 3 with the numerator 7. 3 multiplied with 7 is 21. Then divide the LCM 24 with the denominator 6 of the fraction 1 divided by 6. 24 divided by 6 is 4, 4. Then multiply the number 4 with the numerator 1. 4 multiplied with 1 is 4. Then divide the LCM 24 with the denominator 4 of the fraction 1 divided by 4. 24 divided by 4 is 6. Then multiply the number 6 with the numerator 1. 6 multiplied with 1 is 6. Now we get 21 minus 4 plus 6. 21 minus 4 is 17. 17 plus 6 is 23. Divided by 24. So we get 23 divided by 24, which is in simplest form. So we get 7 divided by 8 minus 1 divided by 6 plus 1 divided by 4 equal to 23 divided by 24. Now we'll solve question number third bit C. 4 divided by 5 minus 1 divided by 6 plus 2 divided by 3 minus 5 divided by 7. We have to simplify this fraction and express this fraction answer in simplest form or the mixed fraction. First we have to find out the LCM or LCD of the denominator 5, 6, 3 and 7. LCM of 5, 6, 3 and 7 is 2 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 5 multiplied with 7. 2 multiplied with 3 is 6, 6 multiplied with 5 is 30, 30 multiplied with 7 is 210. Now we have to divide the LCM 210 with the denominator 5 of the fraction 4 divided by 5. So divide 210 with the denominator 5, we get 42. 42 then multiply with the numerator 4. 4 multiplied with 42, we get 168. Then divide the LCM 210 with the denominator 6, we get 35. Then multiply 35 with the numerator 1. 35 multiplied with 1 is 35. Then divide the LCM 210 with the denominator 3, we get 70. Then multiply 70 with 2, we get 140. Then divide the LCM 210 with the denominator 7, we get 30. 30 multiplied with 5, we get 150. Now we get 168 minus 35 plus 140 minus 150. 168 plus 140 is 308 minus 35 minus 150 is minus 185. So we get 308 minus 185 is 123 divided by the denominator 210. 123 divided by 210. Now we have to reduce this fraction into simplest form. Just divide by the highest common factor. Highest common factor of 123 and 210 is 3. So divide numerator 123 with the highest common factor. We get 123 divided by 3, we get 41. Then divide the denominator 210 with the highest common factor 3. 210 divided by 3 is 70. So now we get 41 divided by 70, which is in simplest form. So we get 4 divided by 5 minus 1 divided by 6 plus 2 divided by 3 minus 5 divided by 7 equal to 41 divided by 70. Now we solve question number 5. Question number 5 is simplify and express the answer in simplest form or mixed fraction. First bit is 2 minus 3 divided by 5. 2 minus 3 divided by 5, we can write the number 2 as 10 divided by 5, which is equal to the denominator 5. With denominator 5. 10 divided by 5 minus 3 divided by 5, and we can multiply the number 2 with the denominator 5. We get 2 multiplied with 5 is 10. Then 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3 is 5. 10 minus 3 is 7. 7 divided by 5 equal to 7 divided by 5 is an improper fraction. We have to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. Just divide the dividend and divisor. Here dividend is 7 and divisor is 5. So we know 5 multiplied with 1 plus 2 is 7. 7 is 5 multiplied with 1 plus 2, and where 1 is the quotient and 2 is the remainder. We know mixed fraction is quotient remainder divided by divisor. So quotient is 1, remainder is 2, divided by divisor is 5. So we get 1, 2 divided by 5, which is a mixed fraction, which is in simplest form or mixed fraction. So we get 2 minus 3 divided by 5 equal to 1, 2 divided by 5. Now we solve question number second bit B. 3 minus 5 divided by 9. We can write the number 3 as 27 divided by 9, whose denominator is also 9, which is equal to the denominator 9 of the fraction 5 divided by 9. Or we can multiply the number 3 with denominator 9. 3 multiplied with 9 is 27. 27 minus 5 divided by 9 equal to 27 minus 5 is 22. 22 divided by 9 is an improper fraction. Numerator is greater than the denominator is an improper fraction. So now we have to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. Just divide the dividend with the divisor. The dividend is 22. 22 divided by divisor is 9. We know 22 equal to 9 multiplied with 2 plus 4, where quotient is 2 and remainder is 4. So we get 22 divided by 9 equal to, we know mixed fraction equal to quotient remainder divided by divisor. Quotient is 2, remainder is 4, divided by divisor is 9. So we get 2, 4 divided by 9. So we get 3 minus 5 divided by 9 equal to 2, 4 divided by 9. Now third bit C. 10 minus 7 divided by 8. Multiply the number 10 with 8. We get 10 multiplied with 8 is 80. 80 minus 7 divided by 8. Or we can write number 10 equal to 80 divided by 8. 80 divided by 8 is 10 minus 7 divided by 8 with the equal denominator 8. Both have equal denominator 8. Just subtract the numerator 80 minus 7. 80 minus 7 is 73 divided by 8. 73 divided by 8 is an improper fraction. We have to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. Just divide the dividend with the divisor. Here dividend is 73 and divisor is 8. We know 73 equal to 8 multiplied with 9 plus 1, where quotient is 9 and remainder is 1. We know mixed fraction equal to quotient remainder divided by divisor. Here quotient is 9, remainder is 1 and divisor is 8. So we get 9, 1 divided by 8. 9, 1 divided by 8 is a mixed fraction, which is in simplest form or mixed fraction. So we get 10 minus 7 divided by 8 equal to 9, 1 divided by 8. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.